So this is the air layer I just cut off from my tiger bark ficus. And now it is living in this little tiny pot. That went pretty fast. That was only a couple of months. I didn't realize the tiger bark ficus would go that fast. So I will probably make another air layer. Okay, now I'm going to start another air layer on this tiger bark ficus. And I'm gonna choose the spot right here near this node. And I am going to shave the bark away all the way around. And once I've done that, I will scrape all the green away, which is the cambium. Then that will make sure that the top of the tree lives just fine, and that this new part that I'm making will also be just fine. And even though I'm cutting all the bark off of this little place, both halves will be fine. I haven't had it fail before. Of course, now that I'm exuding hubris, I will probably have a problem with this one. But let's just hope not. Between me and the rooting hormone, little good luck. In another couple of months, I will have a whole nother tiger bark ficus. I will populate the world with tiger bark ficuses based on my one little guy here. All right, now I've got that all the bark off of it, and I have scraped the cambium so that it does not prevent the root growth. And then I am going to take my rooting powder and put that on the cut. It's probably not 100% necessary, but it does help. Haven't actually tried it without, but I've been successful, so why ruin a good thing? So I'm going to take one of these little pods that you start seeds in and put it around the cut, and then put this little pot around everything. Maybe. Come on, come on, get in your hole. There it goes. And then we are going to cover that with all of the peat. And then a little bit on the top there. Then I'm going to take my saran wrap and wrap it around all the way around, kind of make its own little bubble. And that way we won't lose any of the water that was in that little pod. And then we can grow more roots and more tiger bark ficuses. There we go. And that will be just fine for a couple of months. I'll spray some water in it every once in a while if I think it's getting dry. But other than that, that is all there is to it. And then in a couple of months, then I will have a whole new plant with roots and everything. All right, thanks for hanging out with me and my plants. Like and subscribe. Thanks.